Okay, good day everyone. So today I will be teaching you on how to copy the link of your Facebook profile using Android phone. First, in order for you to copy the Facebook profile link of your profile, you need to go to the Facebook application here. Now, once you already in your Facebook application, kindly go to the right side here, and on the right side kindly click your profile, and once you go to your own profile kindly click the three dot here, and then as you can see, here's your profile link. So this is your personalized link on Facebook, and then copy link, and once you copied it, you may now paste it on any document or send it on your relatives and friends to share and like your Facebook. So that's it for today's tutorial.